Dividends. Who doesn't love dividends? I know I love my dividends. Here on Quality Content Rick, I go over my dividend portfolio where I just invest in stocks that pay me dividends, and those dividends are going to return a lot of money over the long haul. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Quality Content Rick here. Got another lovely episode for you. I got my thick boy shirt on. We're going to go over my brokerage account that I have with Charles Schwab, talk about my October dividend payouts and what I reinvested in, and we'll go over some total investment of what I have, and we'll see what it's going to look like in the long run, hopefully. All right, let me get this screen set up here, guys. 1 second while I transition this. If you like what you see, if you like my video, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up, guys. It sure does help my video, it helps my channel grow, and we sure do appreciate it. Continue watching. Thank you. $4.25 for Coca-Cola October payment. And then I reinvested it right here. Let's see, VTI Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, $5.29. Reinvested it right there. Perfect, perfect. VOO. S&P 500, I got $72.07 for the month of October. Reinvested it right here. Perfect. All right. We got JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, $44.73 reinvested. We got this stock split from SCHD. I had 50 and then it was like a 3-to-1. So it gave me 102. Is that right? I'll look that up. I'll edit this out if it's need be. So I got SCHD dividend $7.83. Oh, Realty Income Corporate REIT $26.90. Look at that. I don't know what that $2 is. I have to look that up. SPHD Investco S&P 500 dividend high dividend low volatility ETF $5. Reinvested that $5. XYLD Global SP 500 Covered Call ETF, $25.69. Here's the thing. I have too many ETFs. I'm not going to continue buying more. The only ETF I'm going to continue buying is the VOO. I'll let these ETFs continue reinvesting into themselves, but the only one I'm going to put fresh money inside of is VOO. So let's see. I got $25.69 there. I reinvested it, and then interest. I got Oh, I owed them $55.60 for buying too much stuff on my margin. I probably have like $4,000 in margin right now. Let's go see how much margin I have. Summary. I owe them $4,376. So I didn't hurt to pay that because I paid them $55, which is a waste. I should never have done that. But I'm gonna throw some money over there. Let's see my balances. See what we're talking about. So I total right now have $92,000 account value, but total market value is 96,000. But I owe them 4,300, so I'll probably pay that off by February. Throw an extra $1,000 a month at it. Let's go here to positions. Let's talk about my positions, guys. See what we have. Okay, we're at 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see what we got. So I haven't really sold that much of anything. So I got ABBV. They've been rocking and rolling. They're up 25% since I bought them. Air Products, I don't have that many. I only got 11 shares. They're up 31%. Ford, I have 650 shares. I'm gonna hold Ford pretty much forever. I'm just gonna hold it and hold it and hold it and just let those dividends stack up on it. But it is down 12%. We can't sell it. Lowe's is up 19%. I only have 16 shares of Lowe's. PepsiCo, I got 20 shares. I'm down 2%. I'm almost even on this Realty Income Corporate REIT. Coca-Cola, as you can see here, I have 71 shares. It's up about 7.5%. Walmart's doing really good. I got 40 shares and it's up 20%. Waste Management, I got 20 shares. It's up 22% right there. And the thing is with Waste Management, we got more and more people coming to this country, right? And everyone has to throw their trash away somewhere. Where's the trash going to go? Someone has to pick it up. Someone has to take it somewhere, dispose of it, or recycle it, whatever they're doing. And so I think waste management is going to be around forever until someone else has a better idea, a better scheme of getting rid of the trash. All right, let's look at ETFs and closing funds. FLQL, Franklin US Large Cap. I'm up 21%. I got 26 shares of that. XYLD, Global SP Covered Call, 67 shares of that, and it's up 3.4%. SPGP, yeah, I think I don't need that many S&P 500s, but I got 12 of those. It's up 4%. SPHD, I got 37 of those bad boys, and it's up 18.7%. Okay, JP Morgan, JP Morgan. I have 114 of those shares, and it's up 7%. SCHD, I have 153 of those shares. Yeah, I had 50, and then it did the stock split thing and took it up to 153 with my little dividend reinvestment thing. So it's up 8.2%. SPYD is Spider 500 high dividend, SP 500 high dividend, something other, 101 shares. It's up 11%. Vanguard Growth ETF, 6 shares, not that many, but it's up 27%. Vanguard SP 500. I think the reason I didn't buy that many of these because they're $385 per share. That's a lot of dough. Vanguard SP 500, I have 44 shares of that. It's up 33.92% since I started buying it. Vanguard Total Stock Market, that's VTI. I got 7 shares of that, and it's up 18.45%. So on this bottom section ETFs, I'm up 20.6%, and the top section I'm up almost 7%. These ones that are in the red, they're going to come back up. They'll come back up. Hopefully, calm down. It's okay, everybody. This is a long-term investment. I'm not selling any of this anytime soon. Okay, what do we got down here? And then I have this SWPPX, which is Schwab SP 500. I don't know why I continue buying different S&P 500 things. I got 10 of those, but it's up 10%, so we're good there. So, and we can look at my other payments, investment income, which we just talked about the October surprise, the October payments for this year. But we can look at 2024 on a chart, on a little graph here, and we can see where we start out in January. We're only making $99 a month in January. February, $103. March, $330. April, $153. May, $184. June, $240. July, $304. August, $191. September, $379. October, $213 what I got for October. November, they're gonna say I'm gonna get $175 in November, and then December I'm gonna get $508. Y'all notice that it keeps going up and up and up because one of two things happening. One, I'm reinvesting my dividends, which means it's buying more shares, and those shares are gonna continue buying more dividends or investing more dividends. Those dividends buying more shares. It's just a snowball effect, growing and growing and growing. Plus, I'm also contributing $500 a week, which is $26,000 a year. So it's going to continue growing and growing and growing, get my snowball bigger and bigger and bigger. So this year they said I'm going to make $2,885.51. Next 12 months, next year, $3,414.04. That's not including the dividends that's going to get paid out of the new shares that I bought. That's just including reinvestment dividends that's by the new shares. I'm going to continue putting money in, which is going to make it grow more and more. I need to buy some more stocks that are paying out in January and February, April, May, July, August. I need to start buying more of these stocks so it'll be a little bit more even. All right, guys. Well, it's been 9 minutes. Let's give it a thumbs up, everybody. That'll be very considerate of y'all to thumbs it up. We sure do appreciate it over here on Dividend Rick's channel. I'll make another video in November discussing my payments. Remember, thick boys are us. All right, guys, y'all take care. I'm out of here.